a better life. So let me ask you one question. Why do we do insurance? Insurance हम इसलिए करते हैं to secure our future. So अगर आप best kind of insurance करना चाहते हैं, so you need to invest in some skills जो आपको future ready करेंगे. Yes. So in this video we'll talk about some skills जो हर student के लिए बहुत important है, because यही skill आपको future ready करने वाली हैं. Now you will ask me कि अभी से हमें ऐसी skills पे work करने की ज़रूरत क्यों है? So let me tell you that there has been a myth कि school हमें future ready बनाता है. But in fact जब हम college में जाते हैं और we land up in a job, then we realize कि हमारे पास कुछ सबसे important skills missing है जो यहाँ पर survive करने के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा important है. And that is the time when we feel ओह काश हमें किसी ने इन स्किल्स के बारे में पहले बता दिया होता. So worry not, in this video I am going to make you future ready with all these skills so that your future is secured. Also you would feel now I am in class 4, class 5, class 6, अभी से मुझे इन स्किल की ज़रूरत क्यों है? So let me tell you that all the successful people learned these skills early in life. Elon Musk ने कोडिंग लर्न कर ली थी by the age of 8. Warren Buffett had started stock trading at the age of 11. Michael Phelps had made national record at the age of 10. Lata Mangeshkar had started singing in the concert at the age of 5. Virat Kohli had started playing with bat at the age of 3. So don't you think कि हम लोगों को भी अपनी स्किल्स पर आज से ही वर्क करना स्टार्ट कर देना चाहिए ताकि हमें फ्यूचर में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम ना हो, बिकॉज टेक्नोलॉजी इज चेंजिंग सो फास्ट, थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग सो फास्ट. सो हमें ऐसी कौन सी स्किल्स हैं जो अभी से जिन पे वर्क करना चाहिए? सो स्किल नंबर 1 इज कॉन्सेप्चुअलाइजिंग द आइडिया. They say ideation without execution is nothing more than illusion. मतलब अगर आपके माइंड में कोई आइडिया आया है और आपने उसे एग्जीक्यूट नहीं किया है, so it is nothing more than illusion. So never underestimate the power of idea. It was a small idea of connecting with family and friends by sharing pictures that gave birth to Facebook. It was a small idea of connecting and talking to family and friends without being charged for it. And WhatsApp was born. The small idea of delivering food at your doorstep, Zomato and Swiggy was there. Small idea of making the taxis available at your doorstep, Ola and Uber was created. These are very, very small ideas, but it made big changes. तो अगर आपको भी कोई छोटा आइडिया आता है, if you can also work on small ideas and create changes, start working on it now. So, if you have a problem, don't see it as a problem, but see it as an opportunity जिस पर आप work कर सकते हैं and you also can create something big in life. Let's move to second skill that you should really work on, and that is staying relevant. टेक्नोलॉजी इज चेंजिंग वेरी फास्ट. जो टेक्नोलॉजी 30 इयर्स के बाद चेंज होती थी, अब वो 6 इयर्स में ही चेंज हो जाती है. दैट मीन्स वी रियली नीड टू पुल अप आवर सॉक्स एंड रियली नीड टू अपडेट आवरसेल्फ एंड स्टे इन्फॉर्म्ड अबाउट व्हाटएवर इज हैपनिंग अराउंड अस, बी इट एआई, बी इट कोडिंग, बी इट रोबोटिक्स, anything, whatever is happening, you should know about it. Otherwise, you will become obsolete in no time and people will replace you. Let's move on to the third skill, and that is effective communication. कम्युनिकेशन एक ऐसी स्किल है जो हमेशा रेलेवेंट रहेगी, और इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन हर फील्ड में, हर जगह पर आपको हेल्प करने वाली है टू आउटशाइन अदर्स, बी इट एट स्कूल, बी इट एट कॉलेज, बी इट एट जॉब, बी इट एनीवेयर, इंटरव्यूज. इफ यू वांट टू आउटशाइन, सो इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. Now, what are the most important pillars of effective communication? Number 1 is fluency, number 2 is vocabulary, number 3 is grammar, and number 4 is your confidence. और अगर आप लोग भी यही फ्लुएंसी एंड कॉन्फिडेंस चाहते हैं कम्युनिकेशन के अंदर, एंड इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इज योर प्रॉब्लम, देन आई हैव अ सॉल्यूशन फॉर यू, एंड दैट इज दिस ऐप कॉल्ड क्लैपिंगो.
Clappingo is India's first app where you can practice English with excellent tutors over one-on-one live video calls. Agar you lack confidence, lack fluency, fumble, make grammatical errors while speaking English, Clappingo is the best solution for you. Because the tutors are very friendly and they will provide you the judgment-free space to practice. What do you think are the best ways to learn English?
I would suggest listen to a lot of English content. Okay, a lot of English content, not just restricted to one subject, on varied topics. You can listen to a podcast on travel. Tomorrow you can listen to something on cooking. Okay, and the third day it could be on science and technology. So that way you become familiar with the phrases and the words that are used in these fields.
So try out this app called Clappingo. It is really interesting app.
So if you use the code BETTER, you can also avail the discount of 20% on the subscription of Clappingo.
Now let's move on to the next really important skill is problem solving. Now everybody has the same kind of knowledge, but your skill of solving problems will really give you some brownie points. So logical thinking and problem solving, if you start doing that right now, if you start practicing that right now, then you will be an asset wherever you go. Now let's move on to the next skill, and that is asking questions. कहा जाता है कि सबसे इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट वही माना जाता है जिसे राइट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन एट द राइट टाइम पूछने की आर्ट आती हो. If you can ask the right kind of questions, you can learn in a better way, you can convince the person in a better way, you can provoke the thoughts.
So, if you can develop the skill of observing everything closely and asking questions to understand that, not only asking the questions from others, but also asking the questions from yourself to explore more. This will be a really helpful skill in your future.
Now let's move on to the next important skill, and that is speed reading and writing. आपको प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए रीडिंग एवरी डे. नॉट ओनली विल इट इम्प्रूव योर स्पीड बट ऑल्सो विल गिव यू अ लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज ऑफ द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड. राइटिंग इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टूल जिससे आप अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, अपने आइडियाज को शेयर कर सकते हैं. यू कैन बिकम अ क्रिटिक एंड एज दे से पेन इज माइटियर देन द स्वॉर्ड. So practice both of speed reading and writing. Speed reading and writing बहुत important skills है जो आपको future ready करेंगी, जो आपको future में help करेगी, because readers are leaders and all the leaders are readers. So अगर आप ये leadership quality चाहते हैं, अगर आप भी बहुत सारी चीज़ों को explore करना चाहते हैं, if you also want to become the powerhouse of knowledge, then speed reading is something that you should definitely work on. So that's it from my side. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope कि ये सारी skills आप imbibe करने की कोशिश करेंगे so that you become future ready. Alright, so with this I'll take your leave, and also if you're looking for an app to practice English language, then do try out this app called Clappingo. It's an interesting app. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.